Hello, today we're going to tackle this question on finding the equation of a line. So we're going to find the equation of a straight line passing through the points 1, 4 and 3, 10. Okay, so let's use our equation of a line. Y equals mx plus c. Now, it's a general equation. To find a more specific equation, we've got to find m, the gradient, and we've also got to find c, the y-intercept. So the gradient first of all. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So y2 10, y1 4. 10 subtract 4. x2 3, x1 1. So 3 subtract 1. So that gives us, what's that, 6 over 2, and it gives us 3. So now our equation of the line is y equals 3x plus c, and we still to find c, the y-intercept. Now we don't have the coordinate that gives us the y-intercept, so we're going to have to use one of the points to help us. So if we want c, we've got to know what x and y is. So let's use this point here, the 1, 4. And the y coordinate is 4, so let's put that in place of the y, and the x coordinate is 1, so let's put that in place of the x, so that's 3 multiplying the x, or 3 multiplied by 1, and plus c. So 4 equals 3 plus c, so c must equal 1. Therefore, the equation of our line is y equals 3x plus 1. Right, that's one way of doing it. Now we're going to look at using the other equation of the line. So y minus b equals mx minus a. In this case, we've got to find the gradient, same as over with y equals mx plus c, but also we've got to have a point AB. So we've got to have the gradient and one point. So gradient, we do exactly the same process as here. So our gradient is 3. Exactly the same manner as here. And then, well, we've got a point. So we can choose either of these points. So let's choose 1, 4. So B corresponds to the y coordinate. So that's the 4. The M is 3. And the A corresponds to the x coordinate. So that's essentially your equation of a line with a lot less working, and that is exactly the same, or those two equations are exactly the same. If you're not convinced, you can expand them back out and check they are correct. In fact, let's just do that. Expand it out. 3 times x, 3x, 3 times negative 1, negative 3. Add 4 to both sides to get rid of this negative 4, and we get y equals 3x plus 1. So you can see they're exactly the same. Now sometimes you're asked to put it in this form, ax plus by plus c equals 0. That may look a bit confusing, but all that really means is we're taking over all these terms onto one side and making equal to 0 on the other side. So for instance, if we took this, so let's move these terms, the 3x and the 1, over to the other side. So change side, change sign. Over here, it's negative 3x. We've got the positive y. Let's move the 1 over. So it's plus 1, change side, change sign. Negative 1 equals 0. And it's in this form. So that may look confusing, but all it is, it's a case of just putting all the terms on one side and making them equal to 0. I hope that helps. Goodbye, and thanks for watching.